Here are my 5 top tips to creating image-based emails in Klaviyo that convert. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark, and today we're diving into the world of email marketing with Klaviyo. Specifically, I'll be sharing my top 5 tips to creating killer image-based email campaigns that not only look amazing, but also drive conversions. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1, make every image clickable. People are visual creatures, and if they are drawn to an image in your email, why not turn that interest into an action? Link your images to relevant pages on your website like product pages, blog posts, special offers, collection pages, landers, and so forth. This simple step can significantly boost your overall click-through rates, open rates, and email performance. Next up is a small detail that makes a big difference: adding alt text to your images. Alt text isn't just for accessibility, although it is a huge plus. It also ensures that your messages still gets across even if an image doesn't load properly. Plus, it can also help with SEO. Keep it descriptive and concise. Tip number 3, don't make the email too long. It's tempting to pack your emails with images and content, but less is always more. Keep your emails focused with just enough images to convey your message without overwhelming the reader. A clean, concise email is more likely to be fully read and acted upon. When we're doing these campaigns, we like to keep it no more than 5,000 pixels long. If you go over that pixel length, you'll notice that your emails will actually get cut off and clipped within Gmail, and a user will have to open it in an actual browser to finish reading it. For tip number 4, eliminate as many small images in the footer as possible. Those tiny logos and social icons may seem harmless, but they can clutter your email and distract from your main message. If you really need to include them, make sure that they are essential and keep them minimal. And finally, tip number 5, compress and optimize your images and GIFs. Large files can slow down loading times, which isn't just bad for the user's experience, but it can also hurt your deliverability. Use tools like Photoshop or Figma to export your images at the optimal resolution and file size. Smaller file sizes means faster emails. And there you have it, my top 5 tips to creating effective image-based emails in Klaviyo. If you found these tips helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more email marketing and retention content. Let me know in the comments which tips you're going to try first. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.